Hi, I'm Brant Combs with Ram Trucks. In this video, we're going to talk about technology that makes it easier to park a trailer. One of the keys to safely parking your trailer is knowing the surroundings. Technology available on modern trucks makes that easier than ever, such as the 360-degree surround view camera that you'll see today on the Ram 2500. In addition, you can add auxiliary cameras that can be mounted on the inside or outside of the trailer that integrate directly with your factory display. While the 360-degree view helps you back up to your trailer, Trailer Reverse Guidance View takes it one step further and helps you back up your trailer with a split-screen view adjustable to the driver or passenger side of the trailer. These technologies combine to help you back up your trailer with confidence.